So today we're diving into this tool. It's called Conduit. And it says it can, get this, like pull AI-powered analysis right into Google Sheets.
Wait, hold on. Right in Google Sheets? That's where I live all day, so I don't have to, learn some crazy new platform?
That's the big sell here, right? It's like having an AI analyst who just lives in your spreadsheets.
Okay, now that I have to hear more about, because honestly, sometimes I feel like I could use a whole team of analysts, not just one.
Right. And that's kind of the promise Conduit is making, like get GPT-like answers for your business. That's straight from their website.
Okay, so tapping into that whole chat GPT excitement, but for, actual business problems.
I like it. So how does it actually work? Conduit breaks it down into 4 steps. First, you got to get your data in there right. And they say they can connect with pretty much everything. Shopify, Salesforce, even Facebook ads, all that stuff.
Okay, so no more, downloading CSVs and messing around with formatting. That's huge. Because honestly, that's half the battle
Oh,
sometimes.
it's gone. Step 2 is where it gets interesting. They've got these pre-built dashboards, like templates. Or you can create your own, pulling data from different sources. So you could have, your Shopify sales right next to your Facebook ad spend.
Oh, so you can start to see the relationships, right? Like how that ad campaign actually impacted your bottom line. I like it.
And then step 3, this is the AI magic. You can literally just ask Conduit questions about your data in plain English. Like, what were my top selling products last month?
Right.
Or which marketing campaigns are actually driving sales?
Okay, now that is cool. So instead of building out these complex formulas or pivots in Google Sheets, you just ask, like you're talking to a person.
Exactly. It's like having a data analyst on call 24/7. And it's not just within Google Sheets either. They have a Chrome plugin too. So no matter where you are on the web, Conduit's right there with you.
Okay, so I'm browsing Facebook, see an ad that's performing well, boom. Ask Conduit to pull up the data for that campaign right then and there.
You got it. And then step 4, this is kind of a bonus. They call it automated alerts. So Conduit's always watching your data, even when you're not. And if something changes, like a sudden spike in sales or a weird dip in website traffic, it'll ping you.
Like a little guardian angel for your business, making sure you don't miss anything important. Now, that's what I'm talking about.
But let's be real, with all the AI hype out there, it's easy to be skeptical, right? Is Conduit really all that?
It's a good question to ask. But looking at their website, over 200,000 professionals are already using it. Plus, they've got this whole add-on marketplace with 10,000 users. So it seems like they're building a pretty solid community around it.
Yeah, trusted by thousands of companies, they say. So maybe it's not just smoke and mirrors.
Right. I mean, think about it. If you could just, talk to your data and get instant answers, wouldn't that completely change how you make decisions? No more guessing. Just cold, hard, AI-powered insights.
And that's the big question here, right? Could this be the future of data analysis? Are we all going to have AI analysts living in our spreadsheets?
Who knows? But it's certainly an intriguing thought. And I think for anyone who's ever felt overwhelmed by data, anything that helps us make sense of it all is worth a closer look, right?
Absolutely. And they do have a try it free option, so maybe that's a good place to start.
Yeah, free trial. Why not? Kick the tires a bit, see if it lives up to the hype. I'm kind of curious to check it out myself.
Me too. It would be pretty cool to have an AI sidekick in Google Sheets, wouldn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Hey.
Imagine the possibilities, right? No more data headaches, just clear, actionable insights. That's the dream.
That's the dream.